and welcome again to Super Teacher channel. In this lesson we are going to explain the negative exponents. If you didn't watch the powers, the other lesson with positive powers and exponents, I'll put the link in the description box. You can go back and watch it again. Okay, let's start with this lesson. So negative exponent, first kind of questions which is simplify. Okay, so 5 to the power negative 3, I'm going to, here the power, the exponent is negative, so what I'm going to do, I want to take rid of the negative so I can simplify. Here the number is in the numerator. I'm going to take it down to the denominator. It will be 1 over 5 to the power 3. See here the exponent is negative. When I take it down it will be positive. Also if it's down negative, if I take it up it will be positive. So now 1 over 5 over to the power 3, it will be 1 over 125, because 5 times 5 times 5 will be 125. Another question is 2 to the power of negative 6. The same thing, I'm going to take the number down to the denominator. It will be 2 to the power of 6. So it will be 1 over 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, it will be 64. That's it. So let's see another question, which is question 3. Negative 5 to the power of negative 2. Here, why I put bracket? I put bracket because the negative 2 or the exponent is not only for the 5, it's for the 5 and for the negative. So I'm going to take down the negative 5, not only the 5. So it will be negative 5 to the power of 2. See, whenever you take it down, you have to remove the negative from the exponent. So 1 over negative 5 times negative 5, it will be 25. That's it. Let's see another question, which is number 4. Negative 4 to the power of negative 3. Here, what's the difference between this question and this question? This question, the exponent is only for the 4, not for the negative. Here I put bracket and the exponent outside because to show you that the negative 2 is for the negative and for the 5. Here the negative 3 only for the 4. So I'm going to take the 4 down only. The negative 1 will be up. I will not take it down. The 4 will be down and to the power of 3. Okay, so it will be negative 1 over 4 to the power 3 is 4 times 4 times 4, it will be 64. Okay, next kind of questions is evaluate each expression. Means I'm going to remove the variable and I put instead of the variable number. Like what? Let's see. D to the power of negative 3 for D equal negative 2. So I'm going to take off the D and I put instead of it the negative 2. So it will be, but be careful that we have negative here, so I'm going to put a bracket, the power of negative 3, because we have negative with the 2. If I put only negative 2 without a bracket, that means the negative 3 is only for the 2, not for the negative. So it will be, I'm going to simplify this. I will take the negative 2 down. Okay, so it will be 1 over negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, it will be negative 8. Let's see another question, number 6. B minus 4 the power of negative 2 for B equals 1. Okay, here we have B minus 4 to the power of negative 2. I'm going to put 1 instead of B, so it will be 1 minus 4 to the power of negative 2. Okay, 1 minus 4, it will be negative 3 to the power of negative 2. Now I'm going to take the negative 3 down. It will be 3 to the power of negative 2. Sorry, positive here. So this negative, I will not remove it. Only this negative, I will change it. I will change it to positive when I change the number from numerator to denominator. It will be 1 over 9. Okay. Question 7. 5z to the power of negative x for z equal negative 3 and x equal to. Now we have here two variables. I'm going to substitute instead of z and instead of x. So 5, z is negative 3, but we have negative, so I'm going to put a bracket, because if I didn't put the bracket, it will be like 5 minus 3. Okay, to the power of negative x, x is 2, so it will be negative 2. Okay, now the 5, I will keep it in the numerator, and I will take the negative 3 down. I want it to be positive, it will be to the power of 2. Now it will be 5 to the power over 9. That's it. Okay. Another type of question is only simplify. Yeah, but we took simplify in the first of this video, but the simplify is not for the numbers, it's for the variables. So what I'm going to do is the same thing, but this now is with variable. I'm going to take t down, so it will be positive, t to the power 4. That's it. I will stop here. Number 9, h to the power of 0 over 3 equals. Now, whenever I have any number or any variable to the power of 0, immediately you have to put 1, because I will change it to 1. H to the power 0 equals 1 over 3. That's it. Okay, number 10. 14 a to the power of negative 4 over 20 b c to the power of negative 1. Let's see how we are going to simplify this question. Okay, now first of all, I can simplify the numbers. Yeah, okay, so I will divide by 2. It will be 7 over 10. Okay, now what I'm going to do with the variables, I'm going to take this down, the a will be down, and the c also I'll take it up. Why? Because t is negative. If I take it up, it will be positive, and the a is negative. If I take it down, it will be positive. So the c will be up to the power of 1. Now the b, I will not change it because it's already positive, and the a will come down, it will be a to the power 4, and that's it. Okay, the last question is a to the power of 4, c square, and e to the power 0, b to the power of negative 1, d to the power of negative 3. Okay, now this one I will not change it. I'll keep it here because it's positive. C also. Okay, the e to the power of 0, it will be 1. That's it, it will be 1. If you want to write it, but anything times 1, it will be the same number, so I will not write it. Okay, and the b, I will take it up, and the d, I will take it up. It will be b to the power of 1, b to the power of 3 over 1, because everything goes up. Now it will be a to the power 4, c square, b to the power of 1, d 3. That's it. Thanks for watching. This is only for today, and if you like my explanation, please subscribe the channel and press like, and you can share it to your friends so they can it will be useful for them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.